Alright guys, now we're gonna go ahead and do a long range test on this Wingsland X1 FPV. See guys, I do extreme review, and today I just wanted to not be really windy, but it's always windy, so this guy has to go through it. But anyway, we just want to go ahead and see what this guy can do. I know this guy can't fly in the wind because earlier I actually flown it, and if you watch my other video, you guys can link in. It's actually showing you guys that this guy can't handle the wind at all. This is the one I compare it to Untitled, or about the Mambo is about the same with this guy. It just don't have the power as Untitled has. And this one, let me tell you, the fast mode with this one, it's not fast either. It's not gonna be super speed. And I don't know. So anyway, I'm gonna do this range here and see how far the Wi-Fi can go, because earlier it seems like I can go 40 miles. I'm sorry, I can go 40 yards distance. You can see it's windy right now, and I have to fly really low about maybe up to here, because if I want to go down there, it's gonna go way out there. So good thing they have fins going on. But anyway, if I can make it to the net, it'd be awesome, because see that pole over there, Tello can make it all the way down there without no where I'm at, without no Wi-Fi extender. But like I said, we're gonna do a review on this, so again, so here you go. All right guys, we're gonna go ahead and see how far can this guy go. And you can see I had earlier, it shows 40 yards, so from now this one is actually gonna tell me how far it is, because I actually marked those. Well, anyway, we're gonna go ahead and see what this guy can do. And hold on, go ahead and record, and make sure I want to go to a high speed mode. The reason why I'm doing that, because it's really windy. And he goes from here. So because it's high wind, there you go. Wow, sorry, because it's a high wind, I'm gonna decide to go over here. I don't even know why the position sensor doesn't even work. Hey! Wow. So with this guy here, I have to keep it, you know, it will not stay in one area. So look what I'm doing. I'm basically, so this is the fast mode. All I wanted to go do is go up there, so I'm gonna go this way just in case I lost this guy. So I'm gonna go ahead and lower it down just a little bit. All right. So yep, you lost signal. You lost signal. So I wanna see. You lost signal. Wow. We don't know what's going on. Oh wow. So I wanna go. Dude, I have to run for this.
Whoop! It did not return to China yet. You can see. Now, wow. This is crazy. You see that? All right. I just want this guy to fly. So let me see if at least he'll hit 50 yards. Whoa. Wow. So it's not going. Wow. So it's too windy for Wingsland. I don't know. It can't handle the breeze. So all right, I'm not gonna go ahead and go. I'm just want this thing to fly. There's really no point going far away with this guy. So oh my God. All right. Whoa. Oh. Whoa. You guys see that? Alright, he's done. I give up with this guy. He's done for today. So thank you for watching, and I really do appreciate it.